What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, what I want to do in this video is I want to kind of talk to you about the exact opposite of the video that I put out yesterday. Yesterday, I talked about plays that or coins that you need to hold going into the altcoin season. Today is not necessarily about what you need to hold, but more about my sleeper plays that I believe are in the market today. And this is by no means all of the sleeper plays or the absolute best sleeper plays that are out there according to you or according to Forbes or according to anybody, right? It's only according to me, right? This is my sleeper playlist. And obviously, I have other things that are in my portfolio that I can also classify as sleeper plays, other things that are more utility plays and all of that. But these are the ones that came up that I want to really talk about that I think are going to have some decent potential, if not massive potential. And if we see that potential realized, it ends up being amazing for your portfolio. Now, or let's just say my portfolio. Now, we're going to get into that in a little bit. Before we get started, if you guys could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos just like this one. Also, if you want to check out the video sponsor of today's video, iTrustCapital, please do so. iTrustCapital is offering something that no exchanges are offering. They offer you the ability to have a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA, giving you the ability to retire off of cryptocurrency. And one big advantage that you have is the tax advantage for a traditional IRA or Roth IRA. The traditional IRA will give you a tax advantage of deferred taxes, meaning that you don't have to pay them until you end up withdrawing at retirement age. For a Roth IRA, you can have taxes completely eliminated so long as you do qualify for a Roth IRA, meaning that if you make $50,000 from Bitcoin, you will not be taxed anything within that Roth IRA. If you make $50,000 from Bitcoin in a traditional IRA, you will end up paying that, but you can use that $50,000 that you made towards your next investment in that same portfolio. So you make a bunch of money, you end up paying more taxes, but you also make more money off of the money that you had there, if that makes sense. I have a traditional IRA and I have a Roth IRA. I will continue to add to them. Obviously, I add a lot to my Roth IRA now, my traditional IRA now, my retirement plans now, but I would also like to add some into my crypto Roth IRA. You can buy a bunch of different positions, whether it's Bitcoin or Ethereum or XRP or Link or XLM, many different positions that you really want to own that do have large amounts of utility. So definitely go ahead and check it out. The link to iTrustCapital will be down below. And also, if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, please do so. You get a 10% deposit bonus. Extra bonuses up to $10,055. You can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees, all with no VPN and no KYC that is required. I have an example of what it actually looks like. So you can go ahead and check that out. Give yourself a chance to leverage trade or just trade outright. It is a really, really good platform. But in today's video, like I said, thank you for listening to that, by the way. And if you guys are interested, again, down in the description. But what I wanted to talk about today was more on plays that many people might not be fully looking at. You probably have a lot of people that are like, top 5 cryptocurrencies I need to have right now. Those are the ones. We just made a video on plays that you need to have in your possession. And many people came to me and was like, what about this? What about that? What about that? Compound looks good. Yearn Finance looks good. This looks good. Whatever. And I'm like, while they do look good and I have all of those in my portfolio, that was not part of the video. What I wanted to talk about was things that I think were going to be kind of life-changing or something that was going to change the way we look at crypto and utilize crypto, which was XRP, BNB to spoil that video, and Solana. But in this video, I want to talk about sleeper plays, things that may have a massive amount of utility, things that people don't really look at as much, and things that you could probably gain a boatload of money from because they are slept on, right? They don't have the highest market cap as of now. So what I want to do is let's start with that. Let's start with looking at where the crypto market is. The current crypto market is sitting at a $2.23 trillion market cap. We are seeing some positivity today, up 1% overall in the overall market cap. Bitcoin's up by 1.23%, Ethereum's up by 2%, XRP 2%, and so on and so forth. A lot of green that's in the market, which is fantastic. But know that we are still at a low level when it comes to altcoins. We need to find the best opportunities or a good opportunity, good potential within plays to set us up for the next bull run for actual altcoin season. So even though we're sitting at a $2 trillion market cap, we were just at a $4 trillion market cap not too long ago. Fear and greed index, we saw greed at its highest level. We saw fear at its lowest level. But now we're sitting at a place to where altcoins haven't really taken over, and they're due to do so. So let's talk about the first play that are sleeper plays before you guys get bored of this. The first play is Cronos. Now, I know this may not be a sleeper play to everybody, because if you are part of the Cronos, so crypto.com CRO community, you are big on CRO. But I think a lot of people are sleeping on what this is and why this can get as big as it is. It currently sits at a 5 cent price, or a 6 cent price if you wanted to round up, a $2.7 billion market cap. People may say that's a lot, but this should be worth multiple tens of billions, if not $100 billion, based on where and what it actually has, right? Crypto.com is huge, right? And everything that they said is looking to hover around CRO. So when you talk about credit cards, debit cards, you talk about the Cronos chain, you talk about anything that they're looking to do, they're looking to involve CRO within it. Questions that people have, or fallbacks that people have, is around the supply. Since they added that supply, a lot of people took their mindset and moved it on to other plays, which is why it is slept on at the moment. And it's also at a very low price. A 6 cent price, we can see this at 10, 20, 30, 40, a dollar, even further than that, depending on how much supply actually gets added in the end, when it comes to the circulating supply. So I look at this as a major sleeper play because it is such a high point in market cap, but it can go a lot further than where it is here today. I have a lot of it in my possession. I think all of these I do own some of, if not a decent amount of. The next play is JasmyCoin. I've talked about Jasmy quite a bit. It sits at a very low price. The first time that I bought it, it was sitting at a 40% of a penny level, rose all the way up to a 6 cent level before decreasing down with everything, all altcoins in the market. And now it's sitting back at a 40% of a penny level, 46% of a penny to be more specific. It's sitting at a $228 million market cap, and showing that it has been to billions of dollars of a market cap shows me that potential really quick. Also, the amount of holders. We reached 100,000, over 100,000 holders within it. I have 3 million JasmyCoin, and I believe this is going to go a lot further than where it stands here today, and a lot further than what we saw at a high point. So keep an eye out for JasmyCoin if you guys are interested in a good speculative play. The next one that's a very, very speculative play, and I don't expect you guys to jump in on these moves. We've seen a lot of things that have happened, but Ren sits at a decent price for the community that it has, the community that it had, the push that it had. I just like it because of the potential. All history, it shows it's down 96%. It's at a $3 million market cap. If we look at the highest price point market cap wise in all history, we saw this at a $1.15 billion market cap. Seeing this go from a $3 million market cap to a $30 million market cap wouldn't be amazing to a lot of people, but that's a 10x from where we stand here today, to a $300 million market cap, where it's still at the high point was 3 times higher than that, almost 4 times higher than that, right? You're looking at a 100x on what you hold here today. So if it's worth $1,000, you're looking at $100,000 that you can gain from that, up to a $300 million market cap. Yes, it only has $21,000 worth of volume. It is a highly speculative play that I put a little bit of a chance into, and I feel like you need risk in your portfolio, and I think it definitely is a sleeper play. But that's all I'll add to it, right? There's a lot more that we can dive into, the things that have happened, the things that we can see could happen price-wise, utility-wise, all of those things, places that you can purchase it right now. But I'll leave it there because it has a lot of potential. The next play that I want to talk about is Yearn Finance. Yearn Finance had a price point of almost $100,000 per coin. It sits at a $2,000 price point right now. My cost basis on this is around 4,500. And if I had any more free money right now, I would buy a lot more of this play that I believe in. I believe right now I have 5 or 10 Yearn Finance, and it sits at a $75 million market cap with $4.37 million worth of volume. This has only 35, let's round up, 36,000 YFI in circulation, meaning that it's a very low amount that they do have, so the price can be massive, right? All history has shown that this has gotten to it shows $70,000 price point per coin, but the all-time high is $93,000 per coin. That's amazing. All history, it shows that it's only up 100%. From the $1,000 mark to the $2,000 mark, but this is an absolute steal, being at less than $2,000 or around $2,000. For the longest time, it didn't even fall below the $3,000 or $4,000 mark. So seeing it at a $2,000 mark is like, it feels like it's like stealing, right? Because it's going to be worth a lot more than you think. And it's definitely a sleeper play because people tend to not believe in things when it's falling, and then they believe the heck out of it when it's running. And it gets to 96,000. People are like, "Oh, I should have bought it when it's low." And then when it gets low, they're like, "Ah, well, you know what? It's over." What? Like, do you know what you're saying? Like, you gave up on it too quick, and you're going to make the same mistake twice. Now, the last play that I want to talk about within my portfolio, as well as just sleeper plays, is Terra Luna Classic. I think Terra Luna Classic has a lot of potential, a lot of risk to it. It sits at a $312 million market cap, but has a huge community. Large backers, even backers as big as, CZ and Binance, and seeing the burns that are happening there, right? There's a lot of things that are going on, and that, I don't know if I just had a spider on my neck or what, but it felt like something just either landed on my neck or crawled on my neck, but that bothered me. Maybe it wasn't. Anyways, Terra Luna Classic is the ultimate sleeper play in my opinion. People clown this and talk about it while it's not running and while it falls. But then when it runs and it's up 100, 200%, everybody's like, we need to buy this now. We need to get as much as we can. Then you get as much as you can at whatever peak point it is, and then you see it fall and they give up on it, right? You should be buying while it's low rather than buying while it's high. So with all of these plays that we mentioned, that's the opportunity. That's what you have there. There's a lot to look into, but it's ultimately your decision on what is your sleeper play. Can it be Litecoin? Can it be Compound? Can it be Cosmos? Can it be AVAX, or whatever the position is? If it's a top cryptocurrency or on the third page of CoinMarketCap. Either way, you're looking at it as a sleeper play. You're looking at it to where it has opportunity to grow. And that's what makes it a sleeper in everybody else's eyes, but something very valuable in your eyes. So these are my sleeper plays. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, again, thank you to iTrustCapital for sponsoring this video, as well as, BTCC. Thank you for, being a sponsor of this channel. I appreciate you guys for, watching this video, taking the time out of your day to click links and hit the like button and comment. It does mean a lot to me. I've been doing this and for a living for a while, and I really appreciate all of you guys for just being there. So anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.